Do you want to be better? I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm the Human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 release, Everyday Excellence. January 30th. Every act of creation is first an act of destruction. Pablo Picasso. To build a building, you have to tear down the old one. To plant a field, you have to rip up and till the surface. To become a soldier, you need to be broken down in boot camp. To make a cake, you need to break eggs and whip the insides and add smashed cocoa beans. To build muscles, you must break them down with micro tears from effort and resistance. To create, first destroy. This is the way to become better. I'm Joe Templin, the Human Kaizen expert. I want you to be excellent and be better today.